king.
Hey! Mukumengalo ye king iwe.
My honor. My priest. The one that God chose for me. Thank you for honoring me. Thank you for standing firm amidst everything. Thank you for keeping your word. When you said, the very first time I met him, he told me, I want to marry you. And I looked at him and said, I thought to myself, is he kidding? Is he okay? He told me straightforward, you're the woman I want to marry. Thank you. Thank you so much for keeping your word. Thank you for loving me. He tells me he loves me every day. And I kid you not, there is no day that passes that he does not tell me he loves me. Thank you for coming to my parents. Webalekum SHT1. Webalekum Jagala. Banange Libyan Jagala. That I know he loves me. My king loves me. And I love you too. I will cook. What you mind, my friend? I need to have done this. I will cook for you. I will serve you. I will honor you. I will treat you like a king, the king that you are. And I thank God for the man of God that you are. The first day he met me, he told me, the world does not know who you are, you're a great woman. Those are the words that captured my heart. And he has never gone a day without. I know you don't have a very sweet tooth, but I brought you candy for a reason. Nikuleta juice because I don't want you to go thirsty. And I have a prayer. Jono somanga bulunako ojukire nti we are together because of God, not anybody but God. Ate mukalaba kano mulimu obuntu musinga okwagala era
Metro muyambe kaka situle